Hello, Jan here from Forest Bathing Nature Tonic, and I've brought you back to meet this beautiful old tree. I brought you here a few weeks ago to talk about the tree itself, and I'm still in awe of this tree. It's so wonderful. It was hollow when it fell, and it feels gorgeous. It's kind of solid but then fragile on the inside where it started to decay. It's got this marvellous knot here, which I'll show you later. It looks like a whale's eye. You've seen photographs of whales underwater, and you can see these very old, wise eyes. It looks like that to me. It's very lovely. Well, every day when I come past, I see families walking here, and if they have children, they always stop at this spot. The children are drawn to this tree like magnets, and they come and they climb inside, and I'll show you what it's like inside. It's become even more hollowed out by the activities of the children as they play and scramble and climb. They find it irresistible, and they play King of the Castle, which is exactly what me and my friends used to play when I was a kid. Somebody gets to the top of the pile and I'm the king of the castle. Well, tonight I came past and the deer were here. I hid behind a tree over there and watched them. The fawns are now, it's kind of like older children, and they're still staying with their mums, but they're breaking off into groups and playing together as children do, running around and scampering and doing that boing 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 thing that they do. Lovely to watch. There was a whole group of deer here, and they were doing exactly the same thing as the children. They were playing King of the Castle. And they were running up here, and then one of them would come along and push it off, and the next one would have a go. It was exactly the same games that I see children playing. And I found that so heartwarming. We have so much more in common with nature than we think. That our children and their children play the same games. How beautiful. I was too far away to capture it on film, so you're going to have to imagine it. We have come so far away from nature in Western culture, and I personally believe that all we need to do is go out and look at it and spend time in it, and we start to see the connections again. We start to make personal connections with nature. And this was a magical moment for me tonight. I hope you can imagine it in your mind's eye. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.